In this tutorial I want to show you how to start customizing the DraftSight screen. The main reason for doing this is to maximize this central area, the graphics area, which is where all the drawing and editing actually takes place. To make this area as big as possible, we need to remove some of the other elements on the screen. For example, the palettes on the left, which I've just arrowed there, and also some of the toolbars at the top of the screen, which I don't believe you will need to have visible at all times. If I just hover over the left of this first toolbar, you'll see the cursor has changed to a cross, and that denotes that I've actually picked that toolbar up. And if I drag it onto the graphics area and click on the cross on the right of the toolbar, you'll see it disappears. I'll just repeat the process with this next toolbar and click on that right hand cross again. I'll just drag the last one down and hide that as well. This is something that you can easily reverse, by the way. These are only hidden, these toolbars. Now, if we zoom out and take a look at the screen again, you can see that the palettes on the left are also occupying quite a big chunk of space. The Home and Properties palettes are visible if you click on each one of the tabs at the bottom. You can make one of these palettes visible over the top of the other one. The Properties palette is something that you will need from time to time, but I wouldn't recommend that you have it visible all the time because it's occupying valuable space. And to hide these, all you need to do is click on the top right hand corner cross in the same way as you do with the toolbars. Now, that's increased our drawing area considerably. We've still got a couple of toolbars on the left and on the right. You can leave those there if you prefer. I usually draw with my toolbars at the top of the screen, so I'm not actually going to hide these two. I'm going to redock them by dragging them into the graphics area and then dropping them right at the top of the screen, just hovering them over the menu bar effectively, or the area just below the menu bar. I'll drop the second one in place and that snaps into place as well. The final thing I'm going to look at in this tutorial is the command window down at the bottom of the screen. And not only can you type instructions into this area to tell the CAD program what to do, but it also actually shows you what has happened. There's a history immediately above the line that you type in, and you can resize that history window. This is very useful when something happens unexpectedly and you don't know why. So when you're learning a program like DraftSight, I would really recommend that you have at least one line, possibly two, visible down at the bottom of the screen to help you know what's going on.